Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am doing just a quick tutorial on how to do resin drips on tumblers, or I guess you can do it on anything you want, but I am doing it on a tumbler. So if you want to know how to do it using resin, there is different methods, but I did use the resin method. So if you want to know how I did it, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so that was it. That was me doing this quick tutorial on how to do the resin style blood drips, or they could be used for those like hot chocolate drips or whatever it is, some kind of, drips. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. And comment down below any suggestions if you want me to teach you how to do something, or suggestions on projects, anything like that. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!